Look like we have a visitor here today. We have a lime green frog here. He trying to blend in with the green leaves. Hey, Mr. Frog. You look pretty with your lime green color. But look over here, you guys. I see my yellow squash. I'm getting ready to harvest today. Look how big and beautiful that is. My first squash of the season. Oh boy. Okay. Time to harvest me some squash. Oh boy. Look at you. Oh, you look so good. Big and beautiful. Gonna enjoy eating you, squash. Okay, today's harvest: squash, cherry tomatoes, and some okra.